The Dragons of Eden is an album made by guitarist Buckethead, producer and keyboardist Travis Dickerson and drummer Bryan Mantia. It was released September 17, 2008 through Dickerson's label TDRS Music. The first clues were revealed on September 13 through the forum of the label. A symbol appeared in the upcoming releases section, which was linked to her page containing a picture of the symbol and the words, Yan Can. On September 15, the page changed and they added the face of a dragon to the existing picture. Fans started to speculate about the symbol, which was eventually described as the symbol of dragon in Chinese. The words below the dragon were later translated as, coming soon. On September 16, the picture changed again and the body of the dragon was added, along with the lower half of the letters of the title of the album. On September 17, the producer Travis Dickerson officially announced the album in the forums. According to Travis, the album's title and some of the track names come from the book The Dragons of Eden, 1977, written by Carl Sagan. Track listing. Credits: Buckethead guitar and bass, Travis Dickerson keyboards, Bryan drums, with Cameron Stone on cello. Produced, recorded, mixed and mastered by Travis Dickerson. Special thanks to Cameron Stone. Tracks 2, 5 and 6 written by Travis Dickerson. Tracks 1 and 8 written by Buckethead. Tracks 3, 4 and 7 by Travis Dickerson and Buckethead. All songs published by TDRS Music. BMI. More information at tdrsmusic.com. Information on the album. Audio sample 1. Audio sample 2. Audio sample 3.